Hi everybody. This is called The Big Storm, a very soggy counting book by Nancy Tafuri. And maybe you can count along with me. The sky started to turn gray. Dark black clouds started to gather. Bird flew for cover. Now there was one in the hill hollow. The wind started to blow. Mouse ran for cover. Now there were two in the hill hollow. Leaves started to swirl. Squirrel ran for cover. Then there were three in the hill hollow. Lightning started to crack. Rabbit ran for cover. Then there were four in the hill hollow. Rain started to fall. Chipmunk ran for cover. And this made five in the hill hollow until thunder started to rumble and grumble. Woodchuck, raccoon, opossum, and red fox all ran for cover. Now there were 6, 7, 8, 9 in the hill hollow. And then skunk squeezed in and made it 10. 10 critters huddled together tight and snug while the clouds gathered. The wind blew, the leaves swirled, the lightning cracked. The rain fell, and the thunder rumbled and grumbled all night long. At last it was morning, and the sky was clear, but all 10 could still hear a rumble and a grumble in the air. So they turned and found the sound was coming from 2 bears. Rumble, grumble, rumble, grumble. Out they flew before the bears got their scent. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Away they all went. And what did they find? The big storm had turned into a very big, beautiful day. And look at that, the bears didn't even notice. They're still sleeping. The end.